Hello coders, in this part 7 video of read underscore CSV, I am going to explain you prefix parameter of read underscore CSV. Prefix, in that we can give values as a string. Also it is an optional parameter. Please remember, prefix to add to column numbers when no header is given. That you can see over here. In this example, there is a no header in our data frame. So here I have added prefix is equal to data. Means what? When you add some string over here, for example, in our case it's a data, so it will assign first column header as a 0, second data 1, data 2, likewise. That you can see over here. Here I have added prefix is equal to data. So first column name is data 0, data 1, data 2, likewise. Suppose if I have added here x, then Pandas gives x0 to first column, x1 to second column, x2 to third column, likewise. So let I show you this practically in the Jupyter notebook. Before that, please remember this. By default, header value is infer. That I already covered in my previous videos. So here, if you are using the prefix parameter, then we have to mention this header is equal to none. Let I show you this practically in the Jupyter notebook. Now, here first we have to import pandas as PD. Now, let me load our dataset read underscore CSV. I am going to use marks underscore 2 nh.csv that you can download it from my GitHub account. Link is given in the description below. That you can see over here. Here is no header. So here we can write prefix is equal to suppose x. Now you can see over here value error is generated. Now let me check first. So argument prefix must be none if argument header is not none. So here we have to give header is equal to none because prefix is not none. So please interpret this statement properly. Argument prefix must be none if argument header is not none. Here in our example, argument prefix is not none. So that's why we have to put header as none. So here I have mentioned header is equal to none. Now let me press shift enter to execute this cell. Now you can see x0, x1, x2 which is given by pandas if you mention the prefix is equal to x. Now let I write my name that you can see over here. Pandas generated Priyang 0, Priyang 1 and Priyang 2 likewise. So here we have to provide the string only. Now you can see over here data 0, data 1 and data 2. So if what will happen if we provide the number in the prefix? For example, in place of string, let I write the number 1 1. Then what will happen? This number is considered as a string because in prefix we can provide only string that you can see over here. In docstring prefix, it is string and it is optional. Prefix to add to column numbers when no header. You can see when you provide prefix x, pandas will generate x0, x1 likewise. So now what will happen that you can see over here? It is added 0, 1 and 2 to this. It will consider this number as a string. Now what will happen if I write this one? Then it will add 0, 1 and 2 like this that you can see over here. Thank you. Thank you for watching.